Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to publish your Lovable website. So guys, if you want to publish your Lovable website and the app on the any domain, so guys, it is very easy. First of all guys, if you have a less computer knowledge like coding related knowledge, so guys, first of all you simply go to your Lovable. Okay, then log in with your credentials and choose your project. When you choose your project, so guys, here you see the option of publish. There is a direct O button that you can publish your project. Okay, so you just click on the publish, and guys, here you click the option of continue. After that guys, here it asks for the public anyone with the URL, so you just choose it and click on the option of continue. Okay, here you enter your descriptions, here enter your social media image. After that you simply click on the option of again continue. Okay, now guys, here you see visibility is now public and this is my public URL. Okay, and you just click and publish. So this is the way that you can publish. Now how you can add your own domain. So guys, basically there is a two ways that you can use your own domain. First of all, you directly upgrade your Lovable. So when you click on the option of available, so you discard changes, click the option of upgrade. So when you go for the upgrade, so guys, here you see you just close it. Okay, and guys, here you see that in $5 plan, like pro plan, so currently there is a no domain options, but if I move to the higher plan, so guys, here it show me that the domain is also free on the first purchase. So when you go back and when you publish, so guys, here you see the option of add custom domain. So when you take the upgrade version, means the pro version of the application, so you just click it and you can get the custom domain. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.